Look at this. This card, we didn't even see it. If you push here, it has music. Can you push this? You've got a bunch of music things. Push here. Oh man, that's nice. Push. It's kind of hard. Grandma help. Look at the butterflies. Oh, look at, there's a kiss here. There's a big kiss here for you, Ryan. Kiss, kiss. Yes. Isn't that nice? Oh. Good catch, Grandma. Unbelievable. Oh, man. You've got so much stuff here. Wow. Now let's turn the page. Oh, look at Elmo. He's got a lantern. And a horse. There's his horse. See that look? That's a new one. There's Elmo peeking at you. It's the look of, I can do it myself, don't touch my stuff. And see how powerful I am. Buffalo cow, won't you come out tonight? At the moon. Cooking? Okay. Here's your alphabet soup. Here's your spaghetti. And you've got your egg. And here's your spatula.